I'm going to show you in less than 5 minutes how to make a landing page for your business and connect a sales page, okay? And this is with the system that I use. So I'm going to save these changes. This one I just made took me no time at all. So I'm going to go to, first of all, I go to my site, okay? I've made many sites in here. I've made my own website. So, but the site that I use mostly is this one here. I'm going to go to my dashboard. And first of all, when you get into EGN, all you have to do is listen to this first video and follow the steps when you join EGN. Activate your theme. Every video is very short and simple. And if you do have any issues, just message me, okay? You can transfer you can, forward a domain, everything you need to know, basically. And there's added value videos constantly, and we have training 2 nights a week. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through at this point. I want to show you how quickly you can make a landing page and connect it to your a sales page, connect a sales page, and connect it to Aweber, Get Response, whatever it is you use. If it's traffic wave. So I'm going to just call this EGN landing page 11, because a lot of these I'm using just as demonstration. I will go back and I will delete them. Some of them I'll use because they're good. But so what I want to do is I'm going to go here. Once I've named my page, my landing page, then I will go to Edit with Thrive Content Builder. What I love about this system, basically, it gives you everything here on the sidebar, what you need to do. So, but what we're doing right now, guys, this is actually my website showing up here. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to go here right under Save Changes, and we're going to choose a landing page, okay? So the one I like to use that I can get, a quick, nice little landing page done. First of all, I want lead generation, so I can click on that, and that's going to narrow it down to what you want to use, what landing page you might want to use. So this is one that I like to use. It's very simple, basic, and fast to make a landing page. So mini squeeze, when you go there, lead generation. Now there's many pre-made ones here, and you can also make them from scratch just as quickly once you get used to doing these. Okay, so now that I have this here, I'm going to go back to Thrive Landing Pages. Now there's more options. So I want to go to the landing page settings. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background image to something that I like, one that I really like. I'm going to really reproduce a landing page that I just made in a couple minutes for you. So there's the picture in. Now the only thing I want to do is, well, of course I want to change this. So I'm going to take that out. And let me just see. The last one I did was, well, it's gone now, so we won't worry about that. So what I'm going to put here is I'll just, like I said, this is just for an example, guys. So now I'll do the same here. So now if I want to change this, so I want to center that, I want to bold that, I want to change the color, I'll go here, I'll choose that color because I want it to, you know, blend in with the background. So that I'm going to do. I'm also going to change the size of the font. So I want this font to be 35. So that automatically changes that. If I want to change this, which I do, I'm going to go over it. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to color, and I'm going to maybe change this color to that. Okay, there, I've chosen that, and that's fine. This, I kind of like the yellow, so I'm going to leave the yellow. Actually, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to get rid of this in a minute. I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to add one that's very simple. So I'm going to scroll down the side, and I'm going to go to, this is one way of doing it. This is a quick way. When you get a little bit more experience, there's other ways to do this. Okay, so I like this here. So what I need to do is connect the service. So I'm going to go here, connect my service. Next step, I have my Aweber connected. You're going to learn to connect your Aweber, get response, whatever it is you want. And, you know, I've got a list here, so I'm going to connect that. And I don't want the name. I only want the email address, so that's already there. Now, I've got a sales page that I want to redirect this to, so I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that in right there. So there's somewhere that it redirects to, just for an example of what you can do once you start to set up and you get this, okay? So now that should be, I'm going to save those changes, save the changes. I'm going to preview, and let's just see what happens. And how long has this taken? So I'm going to go, there's my at okay, sign up. Now I will be collecting that lead. That's going to my website. Okay, that isn't exactly where I wanted people to go, but just for an example, that's what I chose. So going back, guys, that landing page took no time. Okay, really, it doesn't take any time at all, and it's a phenomenal system. And once you get to use it, and here's the thing is, I can duplicate this for people. If people want this landing page, I can export it. Very simply, if you have a team that you want to build a website and they can edit it to be their own, it is simple to learn to edit these things. It does, you know, that there took no time. So that's really basic. We'll get into more training on this, showing you how to do sales pages, things like that. But anyways, that's it for now. Next video, I'll do a sales page.